How to switch a video from public to private. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch a video from public to private on TikTok. Go to your TikTok. Now go to your profile, and this is the video. Tap on those 3 points. You have a lot of options. Choose the option. Choose this option, which is privacy setting, and tap on who can watch this video. Now tap on only me, and the video is private. So this is it. This is how you switch a video from public to private on TikTok. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.